Manchester, one of the UK's most iconic cities, is not only known for its football heritage and rich history, but also for its captivating nightlife. In 2025, the streets of Manchester come alive in ways that capture the attention of locals and travelers alike. The city transforms into a dazzling stage where lights, music, and fashion merge, creating an unforgettable experience. And at the very heart of this vibrant nightlife are the beautiful women who bring glamour, charm, and energy to the streets. Walking through Deansgate, Spinningfields, or the Northern Quarter, it's impossible not to notice the stunning presence of girls dressed in stylish, eye-catching outfits. Whether in elegant dresses, glamorous skirts, or bold modern fashion, they represent the essence of confidence and sophistication. Manchester's nightlife in 2025 is not just about parties. It's a celebration of beauty, style, and individuality. These women radiate self-assurance, turning ordinary city corners into catwalks under the glow of neon lights. The beauty of Manchester's nightlife girls doesn't only come from appearance. It's also in their aura, laughter, and the way they enjoy the night to the fullest. With smartphones in hand, they capture moments with friends, take selfies under the streetlights, and document memories of a night filled with excitement. Every click of a camera reflects the energy of the city and the allure of those who make Manchester nights unforgettable. As you step into the city's most famous clubs and bars, the rhythm of music takes over. DJ beats echo across venues, and the dance floors are filled with people celebrating life. Among them, the beautiful girls of Manchester stand out, not just for their looks, but for their ability to turn music into movement, lighting up every space they enter. Their beauty blends seamlessly with the atmosphere, creating a vibe that is both captivating and magnetic. But Manchester nightlife is not only about the parties. There are quiet, mesmerizing moments too. Watching a group of friends laugh together on a street corner, or two girls strolling confidently in chic outfits gives a softer yet equally striking view of the city. This balance between wild energy and elegance makes the beauty of Manchester nightlife truly unique in 2025. Travelers from around the world often find themselves enchanted by this charm. It's not only about seeing beautiful faces, but experiencing the spirit of a city that celebrates diversity, freedom, and youth. The women of Manchester embody this spirit, becoming symbols of the city's modern pulse. In conclusion, the beauty of Manchester nightlife in 2025 lies not only in the dazzling lights, the pulsing music, or the stylish venues. It lies in the people, especially the beautiful women who bring the city to life every night. They are the soul of Manchester after dark, leaving lasting impressions on anyone lucky enough to witness them.